we got a stiga park lawnmower. Mower deck is in okay shape. It's need a bit of welding over there. Then little crack going on, I believe on this side as well. But that's not okay in okay shape. If you want to go forwards, you have to push that. If you want to go back, you have to push on that with your feet. On the back side is the engine, of course. Got an 1-cylinder Briggs & Stratton engine. And open the hood. It's not in perfect shape. Got a bit leaking going on there. You can see that. It's also for a cheap price. So the exhaust is broken as well. When we start it, you will definitely hear that. Now so push the seat back. With this one, you control the mower deck. Then it's go on if you pull it backwards. If you want to start it first, I have to choke. It's pretty loud. Get the mower deck on. This one. When you stop pushing, it stops the machine. Then it goes out. The spark brake. It's pretty loud. It does not smoke. It needs a bit of work, but there's also the price for.